Hi, welcome to Glow's Kinder Kitchen, and I'm Glow. Well, today I wanted to share a video with you on a recipe that I have made throughout the years, and it is simple and it is very, very good. You can bake this in your oven or you can bake it on your barbecue grill. You just set it down, with whatever you're grilling. Like you can even put it in the coals if you were camping or you had like a wood fire going. It's just delicious. And so let's go ahead and get started. It is Vidalia onions, and here's a nice Vidalia onion. Here's another one. I already did one up. So what you do is you cut off the top of your onion, and then what you're going to do is just peel off the outer layer. I leave the root on because it just helps to, as it's baking, to keep it together. But I'm going to go ahead and remove this outer layer. And I'll be right back after I get this off. But see how I'm doing that? And I'll be right back, and then I'm going to show you the next step. So I went ahead and I took the peel off. I did leave part of this on. After I started peeling, I thought I should have just left that part on because it's good. Sometimes you know how onions, when they start to sit out and they start to dry out, you have to remove that whole outer part. But this one, I really shouldn't have even had to have done that. But the next thing you do is I use a grapefruit spoon. And what I'm doing is I'm just cutting out a small portion of the top of the Vidalia onion. I'm not sure if any of you have had Vidalia onions. I'm sure a lot of you have. But if you haven't, it is a sweet onion, and they're from Georgia, in Vidalia, Georgia. The soil there is perfect for them. So the next step you want to do is you want to take about half a teaspoon to 3/4 of a teaspoon. You could even do up to a teaspoon if you wanted. And what this is this is a type of bouillon. This is what I use, and I really like it. And actually, I found out about this through another guy who has a YouTube channel. He's from Michigan, and it's called Cavalcade Food. So if you're interested, he has a lot of old-timey recipes. Excellent channel. But anyway, I went ahead and I put the bouillon in there, the seasoning. And then you're going to take anywhere from half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of butter, and you're going to put that in the center. Just like that. And you're going to take yourself a piece of foil, which I already had taken and cut off. And then I just shake pepper over it. You can even do Worcestershire sauce on this if you want. It just depends on what you're going to be serving with it. But keep it simple, because these onions will just speak for themselves when they're baked like this. See how I fold that up? Just like that.
Yep.
So I'm going to go ahead and do the third one, and I'll be back. And then these are going to bake in the oven for 350 degrees for about 30 to 45 minutes. I'll be back in just a moment. Well, I got the third one done. There's just 2 of us for dinner, so I just did the 3. So anyway, I'm using a loaf pan to put these in. And I'll be baking these in the oven along with my other food for dinner. But when they're done, I will let you see what they look like. They are just delicious. 350 degrees. We'll see you back in a bit. Well, look at these, you guys. Just took them out of the oven. See how they settled right down into this 9x5 pan? So I am going to go ahead and let them cool off. It'll be way too hot at this point to open up. But they smell wonderful. And I'll be back and we're going to taste test this together. Well, now it's time for the Vidalia onion. It does look like a bloomin' onion in any way like that, doesn't it?
Yep.
So let's open it and see what it looks like. Like I said, this is great for like a campfire or a barbecue or even at home. Look at this, you guys. See how tender that is? Oh, Look at all that juice down there.
Yep.
I'm going to go ahead and take a slice of it. And we're going to try it together. Looks like it's still screaming hot, so see if I can take a bite of it.
Be careful, Miss Glow.
Oh, it smells so good. Oh, you guys. This is like that.
That good, eh?
It is excellent. I gotta tell you, an onion that can stand up to very little seasoning like that and being baked, you know it's good. Vidalia onions are excellent. It's not something I would recommend you cooking with just potatoes because it is sweet. But something like this with that little bit of bouillon and butter, oh my gosh, and the pepper, it is excellent. I can't say enough about it. Let me get a little water. If you've never had a Vidalia onion and baked it like this just by itself, you're missing out. It is delicious. And I would say this is probably a very healthy meal. So anyway, I want to thank you for your time and spending time with us today in your busy schedule. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do. Give us a like, a thumbs up. And again, thanks for your time. Hope you have a wonderful day. Talk to you later. Bye.